Panini 1. Auctions ending earlier today. Sold a couple teams prior, so thank you for jumping in. Get right into it. Alright. Good luck, everyone. Alright, first up, we have for Pittsburgh, James Washington. That's numbered to 49. RPA, and that is the acetate. Very nice. 2-color to 49 for Pittsburgh. Next up, for the Cardinals, how about some Josh Rosen? Very nice patches. That's numbered to 25 for Arizona. The pink. 3 of 25. Very nice. Cardinals on the board. Next, for Pittsburgh, how about Mason Rudolph? That's numbered to 25. Mason Rudolph. 2 for the Steelers. Yourself Washington and Rudolph. Next up, for the Rams, Bruce. Isaac Bruce to 49. Got a vet in there. Nice 2-color for Los Angeles. Taking one down. Box 5. Got a redemption. Saquon Barkley, rookie patch autographs. Card number 5 for the New York Giants. Very nice. Rosen and a Barkley, not a bad case. This stuff has been pretty solid. Kind of high end with the price, only getting 1 card. A little bit hit and miss, but not too bad from what I've seen anyway. Next, for the Seahawks to 99. RPA Rashad Penny for Seattle to 49. 99. 47 to 99 for the Seahawks. Mayfield action, Josh Allen, Lamar Jackson. Got Carolina, DJ Moore. RPA to 199 for Carolina. 3-color. Very nice patch. Box 8. Brian Urlacher for the Bears. That is numbered to 10. Chicago. Got it on the canvas there. Urlacher, old school, 9 of 10. Very nice. For the Bears. Congrats. Pretty solid. I'm liking it. This is the first case we're cracking, so I'm liking it. Box 9 for Miami, Paul Warfield. Super Bowl signatures for Miami. Let's see, numbered. I don't see a number on here. Very nice though, on card, clean too. Alright guys, last box. Another Pittsburgh Steeler popping out. Another Rudolph. Number to 99. RPA for Pittsburgh. Took down 3 of them. Very nice. Blue for Pittsburgh. Which one are you looking for, Jeremy? Oh. Urlacher's gold out of 10. Rudolph was 99. Warfield wasn't numbered. Give me the, what color was that? Blue ink. The Warfield is blue. Nah, blue. Is that how they determine what that's numbered out of? Yeah, it's blue. Very nice though, very clean. Out of 10. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Jeremy. Out of 10 for Miami on the Warfield. Not a bad case. Not a bad run. No worries, no worries. Thank you guys for joining.